So before going to start our course, let us see where we can write our Python code. We can download the software from the online, or we can use the online compiler, which is also best choice. For those who are taking this course on the mobile device such as iPhone, iPad, or any Android mobile devices, they can go for the online compiler and test your code there. So for this online compiler, we will be writing Coding Ground is the famous online compiler which is a part of a tutorial point. So click on it. The list of all the compilers for any programming language are available here. So go to your Python, search for the Python, click the latest one which we will be using for this entire course. This will take you to the page where we will be writing the code. So this is the online compiler. Here we will be writing our code and our output will be displayed at the bottom. So if you press enter, the output will be displayed here. But I'll be using the software which I'll be downloading from the Python official site. Go to the Google, type Python, search for the Python, and there is a first link, python.org, which is the official site for the Python. Go for it. Go for the download tab. Here there are two versions, 2.7.9 and 3.4.2. This is the latest version, and click on 3.4.2 to get the latest version. Once you click it, it will take to the page asking you what operating system you are using. So here we will be selecting whether it is a Macintosh or Windows. So ours is a Windows, so we will be clicking on this last but one. So once you click on this, your software will be downloaded to your system. Once the download is finished, install it on your system. So once you install it, I will show you. Once you install it, search for the Python. See, there are two things which have been downloaded. One is command line and one is idle line. You can write your code on both of them, either it idle or command line. Let us see how command line looks. So this is how command line looks. Here we can write our program like print, brackets open, quotation, hello world, quotation and bracket. This is the output. See here. So if you have learned any other programming languages like C, C++ or Java, you need to compile it first and you need to run it then. But here you don't need to compile your Python program because it is an interpreted programming language. We don't need to compile it. All the errors will be shown at the runtime. So see how simple it is. In like C, C++ or Java, we should have to first include some header files, then we should have to declare a variable, and then we should have to assign the variable to the variables, and then we should have to compile it first and then run it. So in Python, we just write the command and the program runs at the interpreter level. So I will be not using this command line. I will be using the IDLE for our entire course, which has many advantages. I will show you. Click on the IDLE. This is a command shell, same as a command line, but it has a little bit more advantages. Let us first configure it. Make the font little bit bigger so that you can view it easily. Let us make it 16, or let us make it 18 for easy readability. See here we can type our code like print. So as soon as we have written the print, the color changes because it is a function. It changes its color. So by seeing the entire code itself, we can analyze the code, which is the function, which is the variable, which is the string. So for string, there is a different color, hello world. And if when we press enter, it is get executed. The hello world is printed. How simple it is. So this is the command shell we will be using for our entire course duration. And for those who are using the mobile devices, please go to the online compiler, which is Coding Ground. So from next session, we'll be starting our course.